When I check the student balance for the student, okay, and I go to the student balance, I confirm there is double billings and the double term. Okay, this is the billing and term ones. This is the billing and term two. The billing is same for program Ichapar. Then when I check the commentaries, is it not there is no history program transfer. Okay. So after I check in the operation lines, there are two billings. Also here in the master transaction, generate two billings. Okay. By one term with the status to payment is paid.